happening today, Purdue researchers and NDOT crews will be installing some cutting-edge technology inside the concrete of the new I-69-465 interchange on the southwest side. The special sensors are designed to help prevent potholes and traffic jams before they happen. Our Zach Myers is live at the job site to tell us more about this. Zach, this is interesting.
It is interesting technology they're looking at. They're calling it talking concrete. The researchers at Purdue teamed up with and actually founded a company called WaveLogix. The sensors will be literally embedded inside the concrete as it's poured for parts of the new interchange of I-69 and 465. The people behind this say it could save taxpayers millions of dollars and cut down on traffic delays as well. The sensors give real-time data about the strength and the stability of the concrete they're in. Experts who monitor that can be able to tell when a stretch of roadway will need repairs before the potholes start opening up. That can also cut down on how long construction projects will last by detecting when the concrete is strong enough and ready to go for traffic. That means road closures for construction projects may not last as long if the sensors show that the concrete is ready. And of course, detecting when concrete is weakening before the potholes happen can really cut down on how long the repairs and the traffic closures will last. Project leaders say that those traffic jams can waste $4 billion and 3 billion gallons of gas every year. So the hope is that this real-time data from these sensors about the health of the concrete will cut down on all that.
Taking this technology from the lab and commercializing it into a product that the people on your roads and your buildings, the people that are building our infrastructure, they can deploy this themselves and get all the benefits of the technology, like being able to open the roads when they're ready as opposed to causing all this traffic, and being able to build buildings faster and safer by knowing that it's strong enough to continue construction.
So later this morning, installation crews will be out here to start embedding some of these sensors in some of the new concrete that's being poured for the new interchange here on the south side. Of course, that is part of the I-69 Finish Line project. So we're expecting that installation to begin happening sometime in the 8 o'clock hour. We'll meet up here, then we'll go out to the job site, and we'll be watching that as it happens on the south side here later this morning. Reporting live, Zach Myers, CBS 4 News.